Hello everybody, my name is Kathleen and welcome to my channel. Hello Kathleen Green. Today is Thursday, December 10th. Right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so Obi has to eat. I'm gonna work out and then I'm gonna eat. Did my 4 miles. I'm done. Wow, look at our meal prep. I'm so hot. I need to cook and then I'll take a shower later.
Face is all red.
Did 4 miles today on the dot.
Good job.
Thanks. So last night we ate around 8 o'clock. So it's been what? That's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. It's 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17-hour fast. That's a long time. So now I'm gonna make a chicken and cheese quesadilla and Carson's gonna make eggs. We're gonna make my quesadilla while Carson is setting up the second leg. Putting some butter in our pan. And yesterday I meal prepped my pizza, so I had all this left over. This is mozzarella, red onion, scallions, and broccoli. So I'm gonna use some of this inside my quesadilla.
So just put it over. That's how quesadilla is really supposed to be made. I thought. Well, actually, no, it's supposed to be put it over.
Okay, I'm just gonna put it over with them. I wanted to make 2 little ones, but we're just gonna make 1 bigger one, I guess.
Oh, really?
Oh my god. Look at this. Oh my god.
Looks good. Epic fail.
Wow, the pro. Oh my god, I should just have you make them all the time. Wow, that's gonna be a good one. It's like salt.
It's a little salty.
Well, did you put salt in it? You put salt in it? Why?
Because you're supposed to.
For dark chocolate?
Yeah.
It tastes like liquid salt. Did you just eyeball it?
Yeah, just put some salt in there. It didn't say to put a certain amount.
It's not that bad. This sounds a little heavy, but not as much as the other one. I'm going to put up our tiny Christmas tree real quick. Oh, the bottom's still in there.
Where did you just find this? I know, but where did you just find it?
It was in here.
I remember having these back in the day.
Our little ash tree.
It's beautiful.
Our little basic tree.
Is there a switch?
Yeah, somewhere. Is it plugged in?
It was.
Grandma's tree at her old people apartment that she had before she moved in with us. Oh my God, were you were with me.
Why did it turn black?
We have to hit it. You were with me when we got that fucking tree last year. Right, we were together. I got it last year. Yes, that tree that looked like the Charlie Brown tree.
Oh yeah, you ordered it and you sent it back.
Yeah, that was the worst. And I was really looking forward to having a big tree, but that was the universe telling me like, Kathleen, you don't need to spend your money on that shit anyway. And then my mom was just like, oh, just use this one. I'm so happy we did. That looks good, right? All right, wait, I gotta put the ornament on.
The ornament?
Oh, we have two, actually.
What about all these fucking big things over here?
Two things. No, I'm not putting those on. My mom just got those for me and I love them like that. So we got this last year, babe.
Yeah, we can't do that one again. It's not the first one.
And I still have the tag on it. I don't care. I'm still gonna do it anyway. Merry Chrysler. And then Carson's aunt made this for us last year. She did this before we had Stardust at the house. So she just put Stardust in the hot chocolate. I keep this up all year round though. At the front of our door just to remind us of our little family. Just don't want it to break.
So make sure it's on there good.
I'm gonna like turn this up like.
Did you fold the thing over so it doesn't come
Yeah, I did it for both of them. Wow, our tree. People put up like 6-foot trees and our tree is 4 feet.
It's not 4 feet.
It is, it says on the box. Oh, 3 feet. It's 3 feet. You love it?
Yes. It's great. Easy assembly.
Thanks for helping.
Oh, welcome.
Oh, the cookies from Carson's aunt. She made so many. These are all cookies that I can't eat. And then she made a platter for me.
Shall we get it?
From Aunt Michelle.
One of these is cherry, by the way, but you can't have these ones.
What's that one? Pineapple?
Pineapple, orange, marmalade.
And are these raspberry?
One of them's cherry, one of them's raspberry, but I don't know which one's which.
So do you want to take them out? Are you gonna?
You can have cherry.
Huh?
You can have cherry.
Yeah, but I don't know which one's which.
Okay, so there's a clear distinction between these two. But I don't know.
Okay, I gotta go edit this vlog. I love you. Thank you for doing this. Thank you for the cookies. Those balls look so good. Hello, everybody. So within the past few hours, I spoke to my friend Dame on FaceTime. And then I also had the meeting with some girls from my high school because we had our Central Islip High School 2011 class reunion meeting. I guess that's what I can call it. It's a long ass name. But we spoke about a lot of things within like 35 minutes. I made a quick agenda yesterday because I knew that we would be having this meeting today. So I did that. So our next meeting is going to be next month and we have a lot of things to do, but we're good at planning stuff, so we'll be fine. But it's very nice to see them and speak to them because they're all really good women. One just got engaged. One is getting married at the end of August. So it's just nice to hear those things. I'm gonna get a ring eventually.
Yes.
By 2021. Thank you so much for watching. Please follow me on Instagram at HelloKathleenGreen, and my Twitter is HelloKatGreen. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.